know it sounds crazy to cook your scallops in the same oven that you cook your pizza, but these come out really nice actually. We have our TurboChef high-speed impingement oven. You wanna make pizzas fast? TurboChef. We're gonna cook this pizza in our TurboChef Double Batch. This is fresh dough, it's a 16-inch pie. It's gonna go into this top cavity right here. If you're not familiar with impingement, it's high-speed air blowing towards the product and breaking away the cold barrier. So you'll get jet plates from top and bottom, and the rack in there will oscillate back and forth just a little bit to get that even bake. We're gonna cook this pizza, the fresh dough pizza, in 3 minutes. You can cook a frozen pizza in 6 to 7 minutes, depending on the size. This oven is completely ventless, so you don't need any hood over it. It has a catalytic converter in the back processing the grease-laden vapors. The Double Batch can not only cook pizza in just 3.5 minutes, it can also do scallops. You can do chicken breast from raw, a salmon fillet, roasted vegetables. You can bake. So this oven goes from 500 degrees and you can drop it down to 350 if you want to do a little bit of baking. You do have the 2 cavities right here. It's great for flatbreads. You can do a par-cooked flatbread in about a minute. We have recipes programmed in here, so all you have to do is put your product in. I'm just gonna preheat this pan for our scallops here. They're separate cavities, so there's no flavor transfer between the 2 different cavities. And hit the button. You see the rack is oscillating back and forth just a little bit. And you can hear the fans kind of ramp up, and it's gonna melt the cheese, toast the bottom. This goes very similar to a conveyor oven. The rack oscillating back and forth, that kind of simulates the conveyor. If you have a smaller footprint with this oven, rather than the conveyor, it has to have the belts on each side. You can get a single batch, which is just the 1 cavity, or you could, double stack and you have 4 different cavities all in one. Preheating the pan just kind of allows the pan to get hotter, so you get that nice sear on the bottom. We have these special little egg pans, so if you want to do like breakfast sandwiches with a fresh egg, you can do that, but we're actually going to use them for these scallops. Just gonna add a little bit of high temp oil. This is a Lloyd pan, which works really well in these TurboChef ovens, but you can hear that instant sear on there. This takes like 2 minutes to cook the scallops. Preset recipe, I think it's using like 100% air on the scallops just so it gets that nice crispy sear on the bottom. It doesn't dry the scallop out either, just because it's just cooking so fast. You can see a little bit of a grease splatter. This oven's super programmable, so any recipes that you have, any special products, you're able to program them, fine-tune your recipes. It does come pre-programmed with a general market menu, so quite a few recipes like mozzarella sticks from frozen, has the pizza, has some vegetable recipes in there already programmed. You can fine-tune those to your specific products. If you're cooking anything from scallops, chicken breasts, to frozen foods, or even pizza, TurboChef is the right oven for you.